Hey cyber gangsters. I wanted to review PCI DSS requirements 6.2. 6.2 states, ensure that all system components and software are protected from known vulnerabilities by installing applicable vendor-supplied security patches. Install critical security patches within 1 month of release. Note, critical security patches should be identified according to the risk ranking process defined in requirement 6.1. Essentially what we're saying here is that as software is being patched, I'm sorry, not software. Um, yeah, software is being patched. When we find that there's a vulnerability, and you hear alerts sometimes, you'll hear that there's a new software that, or your phone's software system needs to be updated to the most current version, right? And that's kind of like patching. Or when you see your computer pop up and says new, we need to install new updates. That's kind of what the security patches does, right? So for an organization, in order to be compliant here with 6.1, anytime an organization, or not an organization, anytime a critical security patch has been identified that's needed, the organization has 1 month to get that patch installed onto all their systems. This is just part of doing business. There sometimes are malicious individuals out there that want to do harm. Sometimes there's vulnerabilities found after updates have been put into production. Once we find those vulnerabilities and can patch them up to be compliant with PCI DSS 6.2, we must apply that security patch within 1 month. Thank you.